So, somebody's really tired. He was up all night barking at the thunder. We had a wicked storm last night. I think he probably kept Ted up a little bit too. The bridge is still there. Let's go take a look. I have no idea how this got here, but I'm going to blame it on the dog. The area that it would normally walk down to is underwater. So it terraces down a little bit over there. It's probably about 3 feet deep over there, and you can see the rocks here. This isn't very deep here at all. But you can see the bridge is still there. Excellent. Hi, horse girl. Well, that's a relief because it was a pretty heavy duty storm the other day. But it's funny when you look at this river. Now it's probably about 30 feet across, and just yesterday it was probably maybe 10 feet across. And this isn't as bad as it was last night, because last night the water was actually going around here. Amazing.